it's Melissa with the Bickhams coming at you today. I just wanted to hop on, show y'all real quick as I can, how to put chenille stems, 18 chenille stems, on the 14-inch Dollar Tree frame. This makes a nice full wreath. This right here, this one has 12 ties on it. And it makes a nice wreath, you can see. But this one here will be much thicker because it will have 18 twist ties on it. So let's get started. First off, I got my chenille stems. You can get them at Hobby Lobby, the craft store, Walmart. I like the ones from Hobby Lobby because they are a little bit, they're stronger. They don't break it. They won't break. They're not likely to break. Okay, I've got 4 rings on this frame. These are my crossbars right here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to wire these 2 together and then these 2 together. My outer 2 together, my inner 2 together. Now, I'm going to come, here's my crossbar. On my outer rings, I'm going to come in about, I guess about an inch, inch and a half. And you want to try to get them somewhat even, but they don't have to be perfect. But, you know, you want to get them kind of close. And then you want to take and you want to twist it a couple of times. Might slide that over a little bit. See here, we come about an inch from it, from the crossbar. We're going to go an inch from this crossbar. And you pull the pipe cleaner tight, but you don't want to pull it so tight that you break the little Dollar Tree frame. Now, we have that. This is our first little section. Now, we're going to our next section. There's 6 sections on this frame. The outer part will have 12 twist ties on it. The inner part will have 6. So, I'm going in an inch from that crossbar. And I'm wiring it up. Alright, I've almost got this little part done. See there? See, there's the crossbar, an inch in. Here's a crossbar, an inch in. Just like that. Keep doing that all the way around your frame. Alright, y'all, I've got my 12 ties on the outer 2 rings. The outer 2 rings. Now I'm going to go to those inner 2 rings and I will be putting my chenille stems on around those 2 rings. And I'm going to put them in the middle of the 2 crossbars. See the 2 crossbars right here where my fingers are? We're going to go in the middle. Right here. So, let me put one on and show y'all. There's 6 sections. There will be 6 of these. Pull it kind of tight, but not too tight to break the wire frame. Put it right there in the middle. Right there in the middle. Let's do one more. This is just going to make a lot fuller of a wreath than the 12 does. There's that one. Now, I'm going to go ahead and finish putting the rest of my ties on till I have 18. Alright, y'all. I've got all 18 ties on this Dollar Tree frame to make a very full wreath. This, if you don't want to do this, which takes a few minutes, you can buy one that's already has twist ties on it, okay? They don't all look like this Christmas greenery type stuff, but this one just happened to be the one I grabbed. But anyways, this frame also has 18 twist ties on it. So like, it's going to make this makes a really good big full wreath. You can do the poof method, you can do the ruffle method, the cruffle method, the fold over method, whatever. But we have these in stock here at smalltownwreathshop.com. That's our online store. And we have ribbon and some other things you might be interested in. But I just wanted to show that to y'all in case you weren't interested, in case you want to make your own wreath, but you're not interested in doing this part of it. So, thanks for watching, y'all. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And we just appreciate y'all so much. Thank you.